Welcome to Day 8, How to Create YouTube Viral Organic Traffic. Today, we're diving into how you can use YouTube as a powerful tool in your affiliate marketing arsenal, specifically to promote your master affiliate profits business. You might think YouTube is only for those comfortable on camera, but that's not the case. In just a moment, I'll reveal how you can tap into YouTube's vast audience to boost your master affiliate profits campaign, without ever showing your face or recording your voice. YouTube is an untapped wellspring of traffic, perfect for promoting online marketing platforms like Master Affiliate Profits. It allows you to create content that resonates with your target audience, using formats such as tutorials or animations. The key here is to craft content that highlights the benefits of joining Master Affiliate Profits, showcasing how the guidance of John Thornhill and Omar and Melinda can transform their online marketing journey. With SEO strategies and engaging content, your videos can become a beacon for attracting potential Master Affiliate Profits members. The true magic of YouTube lies in its potential to make your Master Affiliate Profits campaign go viral. Imagine creating a video that breaks down the success stories of members who've thrived under the mentorship of John Thornhill and Omar and Melinda. Such content not only educates but also inspires viewers to join the Master Affiliate Profits community, seeing the tangible benefits of this unique platform. When you join Master Affiliate Profits, you're not just getting an online marketing platform. You're gaining access to a proven method for promoting your product offers and the Master Affiliate Profits online marketing platform leveraging YouTube's free viral organic traffic. By following the clues in our daily emails and using the link below this video, you unlock the secret to creating a viral YouTube campaign, a strategy expertly crafted by Dori James O'Neill, valued at more than $2,000 and included in your bonus package. Also included in your free bonus package are the exact ChatGPT prompts that were used to create the 10 Master Affiliate Profits review training videos. Now is the time to harness the power of YouTube for promoting Master Affiliate Profits and your other product offers. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment about your plans for using YouTube in your affiliate marketing strategy. Click Join Map below, enroll for free, and start leveraging YouTube to elevate your Master Affiliate Profits campaigns, following the footsteps of successful mentors like John Thornhill and Omar and Melinda. Thank you for joining Day 8 of the Master Affiliate Profits Review course. By taking action, you've moved one step closer to enjoying online marketing success. Your participation is crucial to our shared success in the world of online marketing. We look forward to guiding you further on this journey with Master Affiliate Profits, helping you turn your efforts into lasting achievements.